Good morning, class 10. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good, fine, strong, healthy, and taking care of yourselves, being safe, and being with family, and respecting your family and loving them also, and going through this situation in a bold way. And don't lose hope, everything will be fine, and just maintain a disciplined life, routine wise, so that you'll be into it. Now it's been 4 months. I am here now. From the past month I'm alone, so people do have to get into. I don't get myself stressed, I don't think negative. I'm always thinking positive, and I'm in that mood swing. I go into music, I listen to some music, or I love listening to radio. And radios get good. I got get all information about Bihar, the state where I am right now, in your state. And we get to know all information about this COVID and all updates, and there's your time pass. And music as well is very rejuvenating for me, and it regenerates me so far and so good. So you also maintain your thing. Studies are there, yes, you have to study. It's your last year, it's your final year, but at the same time you have to have everything rolling together. You just can't do one thing. But okay. So anyways, I just shared that with you so that you please don't stress yourself. Be normal and enjoy your life. Be happy. Look into the mirror and smile and see how you look. You make faces to the mirror, you laugh automatically, and that will energize your blood flow inside your body, and you will feel hungry also. The more you laugh, the more you will feel hungry. And be happy, make others laugh also. That saying is the haso and haste raho, or hasate raho, something like that. So anyways, so we'll start today agriculture in SSC. Okay, so now we'll start that. Basic thing is, we must first come to know what is agriculture and what is farming. Okay, so that's the main issue in it. So sometimes we think agriculture is farming and farming is agriculture. No, there is a difference between both of them. Agriculture is the art or science of cultivating that ground for farming. Got my point? Including the harvesting of crops and rearing and management of livestock, tillage, husbandry, and now farming. That is agriculture. I'm just giving you the difference. Then I'll give you the meaning. So part of the meaning is in the difference also. Farming is the business of cultivating land, raising stocks, etc. Agriculture is you're getting the land ready for what? For all these things you can do. And farming is you cultivate that land for raising stocks for a particular thing. Right? Got my point? Agriculture is the art or science of cultivating the ground, including the harvesting of crops, rearing and management of livestock, tillage, husbandry, farming, while farming is the business of cultivating land, raising stocks. Now, if you don't know what is tillage and what is husbandry, farming, I'll come back to that. But first, I have to explain it to you for agriculture. Now, agriculture in a separate meaning, it can be also a practice of farming, science of practice farming, including cultivation of the soil for the growing of the crops and rearing of animals to provide food, wool, and other products. You are getting that land ready, agricultural land is there, but now you have to cultivate that land for get it ready for farming. Okay. So now if we go to tillage, clearing, manual clearing is tillage. First is manual cleaning, followed by mechanized tillage. You get the land clear. We can say, please clear that, please tillage that land of 2 acres. Means you want to get that cleared. Okay. For what? Now you are going to get that land cleared for farming. Okay. It's a mechanical manipulation of the soil for the purpose of crop production. Now that has an effect of the soil characteristics, such as soil water conservation, soil temperature, infiltration and evapotranspiration processes. That is tillage. They are going to come to know what kind of land is going to be used for agriculture. It helps to break up the dry crust on the surface of the soil, allowing air, nutrients and water to get deeper into the ground, where the plant roots can access them. It also makes easier for seeds to sprout through the surface of the soil, interrupts germination of weeds. That is tillage. Cleaning, manual cleaning. Got it? I'll repeat that again. Tillage is defined as the mechanical manipulation of the soil for the purpose of crop production. It has an effect significantly as per the soil characteristics, such as soil water conservation, soil temperature, infiltration, evapotranspiration processes. Okay? And tilling is important. There has to be a tilling because it breaks up the dry crust on the surface of the soil. The surface of the soil is hard, right? It breaks it up, allowing air, nutrients and water to get deeper into the ground, where plants' roots can access them. Plants will not take nutrients and water from the atmosphere. It has to go down and take. So you have to allow that water and the nutrients to go down. Now makes it easier for new seeds to sprout up. You throw seeds, you sow seeds in the field, and they need that nutrients and water and that moisture to grow. They sprout up, surfacing of the soil. Interrupts germination of weeds, wild grass or any kind of weed which tries to bind it up. That's always there on the crust. So when the crust is being tilled or rather dug up, it is taking care of, it is preparing that land for agriculture, and it will determine what type of farming can be done. Sometimes it disrupts the soil structure. Okay. Sometimes it disrupts because suppose it's tilled and then you are not doing anything there. It dries up, the pores of the soil gets blocked and it clogs in. Then the water does not go in easily. So again you have to break open it. Okay, so that is tillage. Okay, we come to that. What is husbandry? Husbandry is a management and conservation of resources. The husband takes care of the wife, so same thing, the husbandry, the caretaking of cultivation and breeding of crops and animals. All aspects are there in the animal husbandry. Cultivation of breeding of crops, that is called husbandry. Or he is a obsolete farmer, a husbandman. He takes care of everything as his family. Okay, that is the meaning of husbandry. Got it? Clear? Now what is farming? Agriculture is clear. Now we come to farming. Now that is the activity or business of growing crops and raising livestock on that agricultural land. So we come back to that difference. Agriculture is the art of science of cultivating the ground, including harvesting of crops and rearing and management of livestock, tillage, husbandry, farming. Correct? I told you that, explained it. While farming is the business of cultivating that land, raising stocks. Now whatever stock you raise, either you are doing it on farming or you are doing it on any plants, you are doing it on flour, you are doing it on rice, you are doing it on wheat, whatever. The agricultural land is ready for that science of cultivating the ground. It is cultivated now. Tillage, husbandry is ready. Now you are going to act business on it. You are going to use it. Am I clear? Was I able to explain? Great. So I'll come back in the next video.